We are now on Chapter 4-2, Dividing Fractions. First, we need to learn about reciprocals. A reciprocal is when you flip the numerator and denominator of a fraction. It's really easy. Example, find the reciprocal of 1/2. It's simple. You take the 2 from the denominator, you put it in the numerator position. You take the 1 from the numerator and you put it in the denominator position. So now the 2, which was the denominator, is on top, and the 1, which was the numerator, is on the bottom. It's very simple. Now, when you divide fractions, you need to remember the steps keep, change, flip. You keep the first fraction in the problem the same, always. You change the division sign to multiplication, always. You flip the second fraction to its reciprocal, then solve and simplify. It's super simple. So here's an example problem. 7/8 divided by 4/5. So we need to remember keep. We keep our 7/8. We need to remember change. We change our sign to multiplication. And we need to remember to flip. And that's very simple. You look at your second fraction. You simply put the number that's on the top on the bottom, and you move the number that's on the bottom up to the top. And then we solve. So 7 times 5 is 35. 8 times 4 is 32. We're not done yet. We still need to simplify. So when the number on top, the numerator, is bigger than the number on the bottom, the denominator, you have an improper fraction. The denominator is 32. So that means there are 32 parts to a whole. You need 32 parts to have a whole one. So if we take 32 out, we would have one whole. So to determine what's left, since our number is larger than 32, we need to subtract. 35 minus 32 is 3. And then you keep your denominator the same. So our final answer is 1 3/32, or 1 3/32. It's very simple to divide fractions. You are simply keeping your first fraction, changing your sign from division to multiplication, flipping your second fraction to its reciprocal, solving that multiplication problem now, and then simplifying.